Purpose sounded too good to be true. And I have to confess that consultants and academics, we made it too good to be true. We turned it into this idea that purpose is win win. You can do good and do well at the same time, find some sweet spot, do something where you make a lot of money and it has some positive spillovers. And that's purpose. And I found the vast majority of cases that's not true. That's a great ideal to strive towards. But most companies are sitting in legacy businesses trying to find a way to connect it to social impact, or they have social projects that have no economic payoff. And it's messy and they have to make trade offs. So the more I got into it, the more I discovered that the life of a leader today is a very messy situation. Etsy is a classic case study of that. As you are now trying to rebalance stakeholder, you're saying a little more for shareholders, less for employees, more for buyers, less for sellers, right? And suddenly now everyone is getting agitated. The messiness of purpose is about navigating those trade-offs. But I go back to purpose not only as an operating system for your organization, but purpose as a compass that provides you directional clarity.